This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data and creating conditions for accurate readings. Backup settings, then charge the device to 100% and let it sit for 30-60 minutes so the sensor stabilizes. Once done, turn off battery saver and any fast charge modes. These alter temperature and reporting. You do this to remove variables that confuse the battery meter. Now open Settings, go to Battery, and note the baseline drain over the next 10-15 minutes before proceeding. You now reset the software side and collect data for calibration. If your OS offers a Reset Battery Stats or calibration tool, run it. This clears aggregated estimates. Then inspect the app list and force stop or uninstall apps with abnormal percentage use so they don't skew recalibration. Next, use the device normally until it fully discharges to shut down. This gives you a true runtime baseline. While it runs down, note which apps were active. That helps explain discrepancies and adjust expectations. You finish by completing a controlled full charge and verifying results. Charge the device uninterrupted to 100% and then reboot once fully charged so the system rebuilds accurate estimates. After reboot, check battery stats and optionally a trusted third-party monitor to confirm improved accuracy. If readings remain erratic, clear the system cache partition or, only as a last resort, perform a factory reset. These remove corrupted system-level data that can misreport battery health. If that fails, seek manufacturer service. Battery hardware may be degrading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.